Welcome to Q&A Wire.
So if we see here, we are having this CaF2, or we can say we are considering this HF formation reaction. So CaF2, it is a reactant, and we are treating with this CaF2 with this H2SO4. So what we will be getting, we will be getting 2 moles of the HF and this calcium sulfate we are getting. So this is the reaction, overall reaction for the formation of this HF. So this is the main reaction here. Now along with this we can consider this side reaction. Here the side reaction which is occurring, we can say 6 moles of the HF. They will be reacting with this SiO2. We are getting H2Si. F6 plus 2 moles of the water we are getting, and hydrofluoric acid formation it is here. So this is the main side reaction that will be occurring here. So here if we see the further case, HF will react with this water and we are getting this HF aqueous. So this is a case here. So from the reaction we can say 100 gram of fluorine is available. So 96 CaF2 and 4 gram of SiO2. So if we see CaF2 plus H2SO4, we are getting this 2HF plus CaSO4. So if we see what we can say further, here we can say moles it is 1, 1, 2 and 1. And if we see molar mass it is 78, it is 98, it is here 20, 136. Weight available, it is 96, 104, 00. Moles available, it is 1.23. And it is 1.0700. So weight formed, it is 00 and it is 41.852, and we can say mole formed, it is 00 and it is 2.14, 1.07, and mole rearrange it is 0.16. So this is thing here. And if we see, so here we can say this thing CaF2 60% of HF, it is from 2 to 4 gram of the CaF2.